Are you a beginner to skincare looking for body lotion that you can use on your face and on your body? A body lotion that is going to help you with sun tanning, hyperpigmentation, and dark spots on your body. A body lotion that you can get at from 5,000 naira, that is super effective, that will not damage your skin, but to give you a very good result that you are going to like, you are going to love your skin. If that is you, then today's video is for you. I am going to be giving you my top 4 best rated, affordable, brightening, effective body lotions that get the jobs done. These are body lotions that I have personally used when I was a beginner to skincare, and they worked absolutely well for me. I have reviewed some of them on the channel, but I have put this collection together for you to actually pick one from. So if you know you're dealing with sun tanning, hyperpigmentation, dark spots on your body, or you're on a tight budget and you need a good cream, the one you are using now is not working, you need a new one, then these are the 4 options I have for you today. Now, these are not bleaching creams, these are not super lightening creams. These are creams that are going to tone up your skin. These are creams that are going to give you, enhance your natural skin complexion. If you are a fair person and the sun has darkened you, this cream or the creams will lighten you up to your original skin complexion. So these are not bleaching creams, these are not super lightening creams. No, these are creams that are going to help you with sun pigmentation and revive that your dull, dehydrated skin. I also have one special cream for people that have dry skin, for people that have aging skin, for people that have dehydrated skin. I have a very good affordable cream for you that you can get, okay, from today's video. So yeah, let's go. Now, the first one that I have on my list is one of my absolute favorites. It's not just for beginners. Like, if I see this lotion right now, I am going to buy it, because one peculiar thing about it is it smoothens your skin. If you are someone that have rough skin, if you use this particular body lotion, you are going to notice smoothing in your skin. Your skin texture is going to improve, and once your skin texture improves, your skin will seem to feel brighter. Okay, and that is the Queen Helen toning lotion with egg yolk. This particular beautiful body lotion, this is a very, very beautiful body lotion. It sells for 5,000 naira, 4,500, some people sell 6,000 naira, depending where you see it. And this particular one is available, like, is available worldwide. So if you're in the diaspora, you can get this on Amazon. It's basically everywhere. It's in Nigeria, and it is super, super good. This body lotion, it nourishes the skin, it moisturizes the skin, and it gradually lightens the skin. Now, the people I'm going to recommend this Queen Helen egg yolk toning body lotion to are people that you want to brighten out your skin, or let me say, you want to take just one step away from your skin, the complexion you have now. You want something that will lighten you just small. Let me say tone. It's not like lightening, it's something that was going to tone up your skin. The sun has, dimmed your skin. Your skin is now looking dull, you're now looking darker than your normal complexion. Okay, if you use this particular lotion, it is going to shine that your skin. It is going to, bring back that your fair complexion. So it is going to give you a radiant, smooth skin. It is very, very, very beautiful. Like, this is one of the best affordable body lotion that I can recommend for you to use. If you see it, get it, and you can use it on your face and on your body. I use this particular body lotion for years, and I use it on my face and on my body, and it was perfect. All right, but that doesn't mean that if you have a face cream you're using, you cannot continue with your face cream. However, but this is just to tell you that you can use these lotions on your face and on your body. So this is the first one that I have for you. Now, the second one on my list is the Kojic White Kojic Acid and Papaya Body Lotion. Now, this body lotion is specially formulated with formulas developed from Kojic acid extract combined with papaya extract to help to balance and restore your skin's radiance. This particular body lotion is going to help you with body hyperpigmentation. It is going to help you with uneven skin tone. It is going to help you with dark spots on your body. If you have dark spots, you have uneven skin tone, you have sun tanning, especially you have sun tanning, this particular one also is going to help you. It makes your skin to feel full, smooth and watery. Like, it gives your skin this buttery feel. I don't know how to explain it. Like, your skin is just going to feel smooth. It's going to feel like you've been taking a lot of milk, a lot of stuff. Your skin is going to feel very smooth. And this body lotion is lightweight, it is non-greasy, it is light scented. So this is a mild lightening lotion, also like the first one that I talked to you about. It is a mild in lightening. It is not going to lighten you and change your skin complexion drastically. No, it is just going to work on the hyperpigmentation induced by sun or whatever it is that caused you to get darker. This is the one of the best body lotions for you to get. Now, the third one on my list is the one I'm going to recommend for people that actually have dry skin. You have severe dry skin and you're on a budget. You don't have money to buy all those expensive body lotions that are meant for dry skin people. Get this particular one, and that is the Lighten Up Cocoa and Honey body lotion. This body lotion is super amazing. Like, if you start using it days into your using this particular body lotion, you are going to notice that your skin is going to feel softer, your skin is going to feel smoother, your skin is going to feel fresher. This one doesn't really lighten the skin. It works on skin suppleness. If you know your skin has lost that suppleness, it has lost that vibrancy, get this particular one. If you have aging skin, get this one. You have dry, dehydrated skin, get this one. It is made with shea butter, with high quality honey and coconut oil. This is a very deep nourishing, deep moisturizing, deep, I don't know how to explain it. It is super good. It is designed to clarify your skin, to suit your skin, to moisturize your skin, to nourish your skin, to feed your skin with essential nutrients that it needs to flourish. That is why it has a high quality honey. Honey is very good. Any product that has honey, if you see it, get it. Especially if you have dry, dehydrated skin or you have aging skin. Honey is very hydrating to the skin. It is very nutritious, if that's the word, to the skin. So this is a very good anti-aging, hydrating, moisturizing, body clarifying body lotion. Now, the last one that I have for you is one that it's not so long I actually stopped using it, and that is the Irish Gold Egg Yolk body lotion. I have a full review of this particular body lotion. Okay, yes, I use this body lotion for a very long time. As I said, when I was on a tight budget, this is a very good lotion that is going to clarify your skin. It is going to give you an even skin complexion because you're going to use it on your face and on your body. So you're going to get a good skin complexion from using Irish Gold. Irish Gold is very good. It is a mild lightening body lotion. So if you are getting darker and you need something that will help to clear that skin darkening, not change your skin complexion, okay, but it is going to remove that sun induced darkening, brighten up your skin, clarify your skin, clear hyperpigmentation, dark spots on your body. Let me know if you have used any of these body lotions in the comment section, and if you want me to recommend a soap that you are going to use any of these body lotions, let me also know in the comment section, and I will surely answer you. All right, so thank you for joining me on today's own. As I already said, I've explained everybody that needs to use this for, but if it's not still clear, ask your questions. I love to have conversations with you all in the comment section. I will reply all of you one after the other. Okay, so but just know that if you are dealing with hyperpigmentation, you want to brighten up, lighten up your skin a little bit, go for option 1, 2 or 4. These are the ones that will really target hyperpigmentation and sun tanning on your skin. All right,